How to change password on Yahoo Mail. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on Yahoo Mail. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Yahoo Mail application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this page. Here you will see the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon, and from the side menu, here you will need to click on Manage Accounts option. Tap on Manage Accounts, and now this pop-up will appear. Here you may tap on this cross icon at the top right in order to remove it. Now here select an account for which you would like to change the password, and then tap on this account info option below it. Once you tap on account info, now you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to tap on the security option. Tap on security. Here you will need to confirm your identity. Once confirmed, you will be taken to new page. Here due to security reasons, video is restricted to record. You will need to simply follow the guide in order to change the password. Once after confirming your identity, you will land on this page. Here you will need to scroll down and look for the option labeled Change Password. Once you find it, tap on this Change Password option, and here now you will need to create a new password in order to change it. Make sure to enter the strong and unique password here. You may also take help from Yahoo to create a password. For that, you will need to tap on Password Help option below the Continue button. After creating a new password, tap on this Continue button right here. You will need to wait for a while. Now after that, you will see you have successfully changed your password on Yahoo. After changing the password, you can tap on this Maybe Later option at the very bottom. And now you will come back to your Yahoo Mail application. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your password on Yahoo Mail. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.